Hey guys, it's your girl Naturally Nata here. I'm here today to do a wig review with you guys. I'm looking a little rough right now, no makeup whatsoever, bald AF. But I have no makeup on and everything because I'm going to be sticking this wig down to my head, and I really like doing that when I have no makeup on so I don't mess up my face. So we're going to apply this wig, review it. Sorry you have to look at this for a few minutes. The wig that I'm going to be reviewing today is by Outre. It is their Swiss X lace front wig. It is in the style Romance Curl, and it's in the color 950. This is a Vixen cap construction, which means you can part it 4 ways. You can part it straight down the middle, and you can part it from side to side. I have been wanting a wig like this for so long, and the most exciting part is that one of you guys are gonna win one of these also. So we're gonna ship it right to you. This is just a way to kick off this giveaway series that I'm going to be having coming up. So yes, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, because once I hit 10K, I'm going to be doing a very large giveaway. But this is just something to get y'all excited, you know, get you hype. All you have to do is check the description box below for all the rules. It's simple. Just check the description box. Nothing too serious. And yeah, let's go ahead and get this video started. But before we do, please subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it so much. It's right down there. Click the subscribe button, that red button down there, and also click that little bell beside it so you can be notified of any videos that I upload. And yeah, we got a lot of fun stuff coming up as far as giveaways and stuff, because I'm so excited to be almost at 10,000 subscribers. That's a small feat in the grand scheme of things, but it's still an accomplishment to me. So I really appreciate all you guys for subscribing to my channel, and those that actually take the time out of their day to watch me. You just don't understand how cool that is to me. So I really appreciate y'all. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and whoa, okay. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this baby and see what we working with. I'm so excited. Please ignore this pimple on my forehead. My skin is tripping, I don't know why. Okay. This is what she is looking. Oh yes, okay. I love these curls. Ooh, these curls are like perfect, like as if you had wand curled it, which this is really pretty. Wow. And I like the color. It's 950, so it's kind of like that 99J, if you ever heard of that. It's black, but it has like hints of red in it going all throughout it. So this is a nice color for somebody, you know, that's wants to try a little bit of color, but you know, you don't want to go crazy like me. You don't want to be too out there. I wanted a bit of color, but like I said, I didn't want anything too serious, because this is the type of wig that you could wear every day, and I didn't want to have it like pink or something, because I can't wear that every day. So yeah, they have, let me see, it probably says it on here. They have it in colors 1B, 24, 950, DR27, DR27, 613, DR30, DR425, and DR red. So ooh, there's lots of different colors to choose from. This is what the tag looks like right here that comes in the box. See, you can part it 4 ways, as you can see it on that picture right there, or you could just wear it normally. It has the care focus. It has the care guide on the back, which is always, you know, helpful for people who do not know how to wear wigs. I mean, not everybody knows. Yeah, wow, what? Oh snap. I didn't think about doing an updo with this wig, but you can. She's rocking the updo, which is really cool. Or you could do half up, half down, or you could just do it all the way down. I have some ideas. Alright, so this is what the wig looks like when you first get it. It has the lace on the front right here. How many clips we got? 4 clips going across the top right here. It also has lace in the back, so I guess if you're doing an updo or something like that. Wow, that's really cool. They want this wig to be like extremely secure on your head, which I can't be mad at. It also comes with the bra straps. It has that 4-way parting. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's like an X basically, or a cross, and that shows you where the part is. Oh my god, I'm so excited, guys. I'm not sure why, but it comes with 2 little rubber bands on the sides. I'm not. I don't know why. Why? I don't know. All right, so we're gonna cut this lace off. I'm just gonna take my pretty little rainbow scissors. I love these so much. All right, cut all this lace off. I have the lace cut in the front and on the back. The back is still a little rough. Yeah, that's better. Now I'm gonna take my Got To Be Blasting Free Spray. This is usually all I use to tack my wigs down. All I'm gonna do is spray this around my hairline. Trying not to get it on my face. I like taking this little brush right here. It's a dual-sided like edge control brush. I just take the brush side, or you can take the comb side, either one, and just brush it back into my hairline so it doesn't like fall all over my face, because that's what makes the mess, and I don't like risking it when I'm doing my makeup, but that's what causes the mess, is the spray falling all onto your face. And you can't really get this spray off your face unless you use alcohol. See, it's already falling down onto my face. It gets so sticky. So I'm just gonna let that dry for a second, and then I'm gonna go in with a second layer. I'm pretty sure this is, it's pretty dry. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. We definitely want to make sure that part is in the center, because I'm also securing these combs, by the way, but we want to make sure that the part is in the center because that's where it's supposed to go. We need to make sure it's like right in the center of our head. So I'm just going to take this rat tail comb and I'm just pressing the wig onto my scalp where I sprayed the Got To Be. I can already see I'm going to have to respray right here. The sides are the hardest part to make stick down. The front, this is already stuck. It's pretty much stuck down. It's looking rough. I realized that these pieces right here are for like hanging before your ear. That's why I think that's why they section these off, but I really want it to be like completely stuck down. So what I'm gonna do now, after I stick the wig down, this is what I always do. I always tie it down for about however long it takes me to do my makeup. Tying it down for at least 15 minutes, and not touching it, not trying to style it as soon as you tack it down. That is what really is gonna make this wig stay on my head. If I go in right now and try to style it, it's gonna come up, especially on today. I'm just gonna have to show one style because this video is already getting extremely long, and it is kind of hard to find that part and still make it look good. So I'm gonna have to figure this out, but I'm gonna do like a top bun at the top, secure this up here some way that's nice and pretty, have the pieces hanging down on the side, get these baby hairs right. But I really do like the wig. It's very versatile, which is awesome, and the curls are really, really nice once you brush them out. When they're not brushed out, they're just a little too perfect, but when you brush them out, this is really, really nice. And I think with this nice like curly bun that I'm gonna put up here at the top, some baby hairs hanging down, and I love how natural it looks. It looks really, really natural too. The hairline and everything, especially with the pre-plucked baby hairs and everything, that just makes it a lot easier. So this video is not like 10,000 hours long. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up, get me a cute style going, and I'll show you guys the finished look. and I'll have another video coming up at a later time where I show you different ways to style this. That's a whole nother ball game. This wig, I would say, is not for beginners. This is like a tedious wig where you really have to go in and, you know, do some things. You got to do some things too. It's not something that you could just slap on your head. So keep that in mind. But let me go fix this and I'll be right back with the finished look and my final
Alright guys, so
thoughts.
this is the finished look. I am in love with this wig, needless to say. It's really, really pretty. It was difficult to manipulate and everything, but once you get it down, it's totally worth it. As for my final review, I just want to reiterate again that I don't really feel like this is a wig for beginners. Like, if this is your first time, you know, wanting to try out a wig, I wouldn't suggest this. This is pretty intense. You have to cut the lace. Okay, that's easy. Then you have to secure it to your head so it'll look more natural and the lace will melt into your head. And then as far as getting the parting right, you know, making sure your baby hairs are covering everything, making sure there's nothing showing. Some of the cap will show if you don't mask it correctly. It is a lot. It's kind of a lot of work, but somebody like me that's into wigs, this is worth it. Like, I love it. I think it's really, really cute. I'm definitely gonna get a lot of use out of it. Yeah, I really, really like it. The curls are amazing. Like, you just effortlessly wand curled your hair and like did it all messy. I love it. I love it a lot. Especially to be a synthetic wig and what you can do with this wig. I mean, this is amazing to me. I love it. It's definitely gonna get rocked. So I just wanted to show you guys the top. Excited to see what other styles I can do with this wig because I think it's pretty versatile and you can do a lot of different things with it. So that will be a video that I have coming up for you guys, is how to style a Vixen wig and the different types of styles that you can do.